Indian Abacus, the new generation tool and technology.
Indian Abacus is one of the leader in the abacus industry. Indian Abacus has become the pioneer in introducing a very high level, mega level, national level competition. Indian Abacus started their competition journey 2 years back, and we are planning to have national level competition in the month of July 2019. Last year, more than 3,000 plus students participated in the mega event, and 700 plus prizes were taken away by the students. And the Mr. Bashir Ahmad, CEO and the inventor of Indian Abacus, was kind enough to allow other brand abacus students to participate in open competition. They also participated and won a lot of prizes last year. And year on year, the number of students participating in the national level competition is increasing. It is a very good sign of the great improvement of the Indian Abacus journey. And I am sure in the years to come, Indian Abacus will lead and land into Limca Book of Records and even in Guinness Book of Records. I wish all the best to Indian Abacus. Thank you.
Indian Abacus, easier, faster and stress-free.